Sometimes we don't have enough time to enjoy ourselves. We think that we need to work, we need to do something to fulfill our time. We are waiting that time is money. Always busy and working. And when I'm here, I am present for myself 100%. I am becoming a real person. I am here, not in the dream, but in the present moment. I am here. So dear friends, sometimes we don't have enough time to enjoy ourselves. Sometimes we are very busy. We think that we need to work, we need to do something to fulfill our time. We are always busy. We are waiting that time is money. And we want to use the time to make money, to be productive. Always busy and working. And when I am here, I am present for myself 100%. I am becoming a real person. I am here, not in the dream, but in the present moment. I am here. Breathe in. One hand touch your shoulder, another hand touch your lower back. In, out. In, out. And then you can stretch your palms, bend your knees down, look like you are swimming backwards. Okay, inhale. Exhale. In, out. And put your hands on your lower back, your hips, and then you can allow your lower back or your hip to release tensions. Breathe in. Out. And do reverse in. Out. Wonderful. Open your palms. Breathe in deep. Breathe out slow. Bring your mind back to the body in the present moment. Allow yourself to relax your body. Feel your feet on the ground. Open your palms, be shape again. The next one we call the hand folded, body curving. Also join your two palms together, your two thumbs crossed together. Okay, breathe in, you lift your folded hand up, and then your fingers will touch in the center of your forehead. Okay, bend your head forward. Breathe out, bend your head forward, your hand go down. Keep your knees straight until your fingers can touch the ground or reach as far as you can, okay? In the center of your 2 feet, okay, in that way. Inhale, up. Exhale down. Allow your neck and your lower back to stretch naturally and slowly, okay? Feel your lower back. Inhale, bend upward. Backward and out, bend forward. Release tensions. Look like you are touching the earth. You are bowing to the earth. Thank you for being there. In. Out. Let it go. Feel your lower back. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. One more time. In. Out. So wonderful. Now shake your hands, and then you jump a little bit, okay? Bend your knees a little bit, jump, and shaking off all anxieties, stress and fear from your hands, arms, and your legs. Wonderful. Just put one hand on your lower abdomen, another hand outside. Then you can move with a clockwise direction. Press your lower abdomen a little bit. Massage your body, circulate the blood on your lower abdomen. improve your digestive system when you do this often. Okay, breathe in, out. Allow yourself to release tension from your belly, from your dantian. Then massage your two palms together. Then side by side. The other side. Then massage your face. Allow your face to release tensions and relax. Okay, and then you can massage your lower back. 2 hands, massage lower back. And go down your 2 legs. And go to front. So you can do 3 rounds like that. Okay, breathe in, raise your hands up, stand by the toes. Okay, release stress and anxiety completely. Okay, in. One more time, in. Open your palms, inhale deep. Exhale.